Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of jujube fruit. If you're looking for a tasty way to boost your health, you've landed on the right video. Stick around because you won't want to miss this. So, what exactly is jujube fruit, also known as Chinese dates? These small, reddish-brown fruits have been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years. Not only are they deliciously sweet, but they also pack a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. Let's break it down. Let's talk benefits. Here are 5 incredible ways jujube fruit can enhance your health. Boosts immune system. Packed with vitamins A and C, jujubes are your new best friend when it comes to boosting your immune system. These antioxidants fight off free radicals and keep illnesses at bay. Improves sleep quality. Struggling to catch those Z's? Jujube fruit contains saponins, which have a sedative effect that can help you relax and improve your sleep quality. Supports digestive health. Jujube fruit is rich in dietary fiber, which aids digestion and helps prevent constipation. It's a natural way to keep your gut happy and healthy. Enhances skin health. Want glowing skin? The antioxidants and vitamin C in jujubes can help reduce signs of aging and protect your skin from damage. Promotes heart health. Jujube fruit contains potassium and other essential nutrients that help regulate blood pressure and support overall heart health. Imagine this: you've had a long day and just need to unwind. Instead of reaching for a sugary snack, grab a handful of jujube fruits. Not only are they sweet and satisfying, but they're also doing wonders for your health. It's a win-win. Here are some simple ways to incorporate jujube fruit into your daily routine. Snack on them, fresh or dried. Add them to your morning oatmeal or yogurt. Brew them into a soothing tea. Use them in baking for a naturally sweet treat. That's it for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment below with your favorite way to enjoy jujube fruit. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more health tips and delicious recipes. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.